Find peace within yourself, not in the noise of the outside world. If the mind is calm, then the world will be calm. Let go of desires. Cut the root of sorrow. Release the bond of attachment. Step on the path to liberation. Through no God, you will get the results of your action. By right action and thought, put an end to sorrow. Cut down the tree of pride. Be humble. Embracing all with compassion, find within yourself the bliss of heaven. Conquer your anger. Be freed by forgiveness. Without looking at others' faults, correct your mistakes. Abandon falsehood and hypocrisy. Walk in the path of truth. Express it in action, not in words. True sense of the divine. Life is fickle, death is sure. Keep this in mind. Don't get caught up in fleeting happiness. Strive for eternity. Keeping this key message in mind, let's go on the path of self-knowledge. Through the darkness of sorrow, reach the light of nirvana. All creatures have a divine soul. See that soul within you. Religion of non-violence. Do not harm any living being. Only do good. Knowing the law of karma, always follow the right path. Keep away greed and envy. Be of good cheer. Gain knowledge slowly. Dispel the darkness of ignorance. Enrich yourself in education. Light the light of knowledge always. Finally remember, don't rely on the latter. Instill confidence in yourself. Walk your own way to freedom. This world is a sea of sorrow, but be a vessel of compassion within yourself. Help the poor, may they not float in these waves of sorrow. The body is the temple, the mind is its worshipper. Purify the mind with holy thoughts. Suppress the desires of the sins. Try to find peace of mind. Life is a journey. Every movement is precious. Life is movement with awareness. Without getting caught in the trap of karma, work for nothing. Just do duty. This world is illusion. Everything is temporary. Break the bonds of infatuation. Find your true self. Liberation of the soul should always be the goal. Take this key message to heart. Follow the path of Gautam Buddha in addition to gaining self-liberation. So others their way to liberation.